So, look at that. So, hi everyone. I just wanted to come back and more or less, little FYI, to recap, on the products that I did use for, the Janet, the melt, because of course, once again, this is the Janet melt with the, extended lace part. I have her in the, this is the sandy blonde. I'm getting happy with the blondes. But just to recap on that, I used the Aussie, this, the Instant Freeze Gel, which is a 20-hour hold. I put 2 layers. The front, blow that dry, let it dry. And then I came back with the TRESemme, the holding spray in the green can. I mean, this and this, to me, these are awesome products because I know we use a lot of different, hair bonds for your hair to glue down, your lace fronts and everything like that. There's like, I don't know, a bunch of them out there. But I'm going to say this and this work. It truly worked. This is like the second time. Look, can you see? This isn't going anywhere. Anywhere. It is on there. It isn't going anywhere. You can't lift it up. Nowhere. It's not going anywhere. So, I mean, that was my FYI, tip in case, you're looking for something new or you want to try something new. I'm going to say for me, this is it. I've done, the Got To Be, the spray, the gel. I've used another one, but lately, I'm looking at some people or what have you. Some of these products seem to be taking your edges out, what have you. I saw one young lady, she took her unit off and her side, she didn't have anything left. But, I don't know if she put too much or she put it all wrong or how she did it, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Like I said, this is just a FYI. If you'd like to try these products together and see how they work, if you do, let me know. Tag me, leave me, in the comments if you tried it. How do you like it? How do you think it works? Because like I said, for me, it works great. And once again, this is the end of my video because, of course, I didn't want it long. I just wanted to come back and show you. Okay. All the descriptions will be left down in the box below. As usual, if you're new, welcome. And as always, leave me any comments, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, press that little bell so you won't miss a thing. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, everyone.